In this video, I'd like to show you how to look up any YouTube channel's potential ad revenue, how much they make a year. Now, this is important because you can make money from YouTube on different various streams of income: affiliate marketing, coaching, courses. But when we look at a site such as Social Blade, we'll see potentially how much they make in ad revenue. So let's look at a few examples of different channels and what their estimated revenue is from ads. The first one, very, very famous, maybe the most famous YouTuber, and that is Mr. Beast. So if we look here at Social Blade, we can see that Mr. Beast potentially makes, or the channel Mr. Beast potentially makes, anywhere from $472,000 up to $7.6 million per month. And for the year, based solely on ad revenue, $5.7 million to $90.6 million a year, because he gets so many views. So we scroll down here, we will see, like, as I'm recording this video in November of 2023, how many subscribers he's getting per month, how many video views per day. You'll see right there, and the estimating earnings per day. It's just unfathomable. Down here, when you look at Social Blade, you'll see monthly gained video views for a channel. So even though he's super popular, it's trending up even still. So he's maintaining, if not increasing, his popularity. Here is monthly gained subscribers for Mr. Beast's channel. So he's, again, increasing this. He dipped down a little bit, but then increased, and boom, back up. So if we look at another channel in the outdoor niche, it's called Outdoor Boys, gets a total grade, and Social Blade will give you a grade based on, of course, I'm using extreme examples, some most popular channels out there. It shows you how many videos this channel uploaded, how many subscribers, how many video views it's got, the channel's got so far, the country that it's from, and when it was created. And this is an outdoor channel, and it just blows my mind how much they make. I know it's not more than Mr. Beast, but my goodness, what an income. $23.8 thousand up to $380,000 per month. And there is how much potentially per year. Again, the same thing. Over here on the right, you'll see projection, where that particular channel could reach by tomorrow. If you click this right here, future projections, it kind of gives you an estimate, different months, how many subs you might get based on what's been happening as far as views and subscribers you're getting. They can calculate a prediction. So not that this is 100% accurate, but it does give somebody an estimate of where you are and where you could be in terms of subs, in terms of views, and in terms of revenue. And last but not least, Andre Jick, the finance niche, which is a lucrative niche. But of the three that we've used as an example today, this is the lowest paying, but I would be so happy making this. Gets a grade of B. How many uploads, how many subscribers, how many views. So no matter what channel you want to look up, if you have a channel, YouTube channel, a couple channels, as long as you have 5 subscribers, pretty sure it's 5 subscribers before you show up in Social Blade, you can see what your projected revenue, ad revenue is, and you can see what your future projections in terms of subs and views. So Social Blade is a wonderful tool to look up your favorite YouTubers, your favorite YouTube channels, and if you're a content creator, if you're a YouTuber yourself, You can keep track of it by using Social Blade. So check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. If you like this video, if you want to learn how to create content and become a content creator in this wonderful content creation economy that we have, this creative economy is just wonderful. So many opportunities. No matter what your background, no matter what your interest, no matter what your skills, you can make money on YouTube, on podcasts, on websites. You can even make money in your sleep. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell.